What could be the reason behind this battle? Spur Winged Lapwings are among the most fearless parents in the bird world. Once they have eggs or chicks, they'll take on almost anything they see as a threat. Whether it's a crow, a heron, or a fox, or even a much larger bird. They rely on bold aerial attacks, loud alarm calls, and relentless persistence to keep predators away from the young. Meanwhile, the Stone Curlew is a master of camouflage. Its sandy mottled plumage blends almost perfectly with dry ground, making it incredibly difficult to spot. Rather than fighting, it usually depends on staying still and remaining hidden until danger passes. But today, it found itself in the wrong place at the wrong time. From the lapwing's point of view, none of that matters. With chicks nearby, every unfamiliar bird is treated as a potential danger. And just like that, the battle begins. The determined lapwing finally succeeds in driving the Stone Curlew away. The threat is gone, for now.